Look at his hand in his shirt. Oh, God.
So we got the headdress right here from Turbo Squid. We're just gonna, magnetic lasso tool it. Okay. Even though it's like lower poly, people won't notice it because of a thumbnail size. But if they do, I don't know. They do notice it. What's oil paint?
Let's see what it does.
I want to know what it does, but I can't okay. What am I doing? Okay, what does it do?
Actually looking at oil painting.
Oh, that's cool looking. Let's do this Mario.
Oh, God. I don't know if that's gonna look good, Jake.
Hey.
I don't know if that's gonna look good.
Hey, I gotta know.
Look at his hand in his shirt. Oh, God. It's cutting through his nose.
Extrude, right? Yeah. Oh, it's a shattered Mario. That's cool.
It's sort of like when he goes into a pipe in Paper Mario, you know what I'm talking about? Where it's like...
Yeah, where it breaks apart.
Yep.
What's a blast? Stagger? Oh, that looks interesting.
Mario's hand. Mario.
I'm just looking at these.
Okay?
I'm just messing in Photoshop. Let's see. Oh, I want to go from the other way. Yes, that's much better.
Oh.
The Pokey's just existing in the background.
The Pokey just looks
This
like
looks good though.
He just looks like that creepy stalker that just follows you around. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Well.
Thanks for watching. It was fun doing this. Oh my gosh, Connor. We never beat level 50, did we?